And once we put the high beam, look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's a full moon day. Look at the moon. Wow. And letting the bike warm up a little bit. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, today like I've told you in the last video, I thought I'll be showing you the installation of this phone bracket and the phone case, but unfortunately we don't have the phone case yet. I had got the XL size one, but since the phones are big, I need a double XL, so I placed an order for that. And I have this new accessory. I'll show that to you once there's sufficient light. And finally we have the two auxiliary lights. It was a much needed accessory because you know we keep riding early in the morning, and I'm planning to do some long rides also, and hence we have the auxiliary lights. Today me and my friend, we are going to Shettihalli Church. That is around 210 kilometers from Bangalore, and unfortunately there might be some wind noise, guys, because while I was putting on the helmet, the dead cat fur, it helps reduce the wind noise, and when I was putting that, the dead cat fur came off. And about these auxiliary lights, I've turned it off now since there's enough street lights here. Once we get on the highway, I'll show you how it looks like and what are all the features that it has. And you know, we can't install the lights directly, so once we get to the highway, I'll show it to you. So this is the low beam of the bike, stock lights. This is the high beam. See, not much difference, and it's really difficult to ride in the nights or early in the mornings. So what we have to do is press and hold the indicator switch. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, so the fog lights are on now. These are in the low beam position, and once we put the high beam, look at that, guys. Oh my god, there's so much difference. This is the low beam with the fog lights on, and this is the high beam. My goodness. And if you see, if you press the horn button, it'll flicker, and if you use the indicators, it'll turn on, because for safety reasons. And once we put the indicators off, it'll go back to the high beam position. If we use the hazard lights, it'll switch like this. Look at that. But crazy difference, guys, crazy difference. I'm super satisfied with these lights. I got them from Bike and Biker, and the lights are Baja Design Squadron Pros. And if we have to fix any accessory, electrical accessory to the BMW, we need a hex scan. I'll show that to you. It's under the seat. We need to install that, and then we can install any sort of electrical accessory, or else we can lose our warranty if we do some direct connections to the bike. So that's the reason it got quite expensive. I'll tell you the price once we stop. So that's my friend Nihal. Today he's riding with me. Hi Nihal. The real test of these lights is now, when there's absolutely no sunlight. The time is 5:54. Guys, we just took a small break now, and so these are the lights. These are the Denali Squadron Pro lights. Look at that. And since the sun is slowly starting to come up, we have to put these back. These are the caps. These are 990 rupees each. And coming to the price, this one, the pair costs 37,500. And I told you about one accessory, right? That is here. So this is the hex scan. Niyal ide. So okay, this one like this is for the accessories. Ella accessories na integrate madadu. So this was 23,000 rupees. Lights 37,500 and those caps are 2,000 rupees. Ee cap 23 ಅದು. ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್,
ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೋದು, ಹಾರ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I got this Wunderlist charger. Before I think I had showed it to you, I had to connect an extra thing. So I sold that and I got this. So this directly connects to the port and this was 6,000 rupees. Now we can have a USB cable directly and no need of any extra devices. And this was the Jivis phone bracket which I showed you, and this is the phone mount. I got the XL size. So I've returned it. I should be getting it in the coming week, not sure. So that's why I've installed the Bobo phone holder again for this small ride. And now let's put back the caps. And guys, this is the fake dead cat fur which goes inside the microphone there. You can see it inside. It is there somewhere. So this came off in the morning. That's why you will be hearing a lot of wind noise today. We made another stop at A to B. We came here to have our breakfast. Niyal. So we'll have our breakfast here and then we are going to 50. We have another 50 kilometers, so we'll see you on the road. Okay guys, we are done with our breakfast. How is the new angle? I am trying out something different with this GoPro here, so do let me know how the different angles are so that we can continue using these in the upcoming vlogs. So we have another 43 kilometers and it says 54 minutes. ETA is 9 o'clock. The highway part is done, I think. It says we have to take a left turn here and 20 kilometers in that road. Highways and the big roads are all done. Now going in these small country roads, village roads. We are here. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿದು? ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ರೋಡು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಗತ್ತೆ. We're doing some trials now. Oh my god. I don't know the... Okay, we are here. Oh my god. How is it, Neon? Super alla? ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮುಳುಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಬೈಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹ್ಞೂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, I need to fill up fuel also. We'll go and park the bike. We're going so close to the water. There are a few other bikers as well. Royal Enfield Classic 500s. Guys, we have parked the bike there. My friend is still standing there. I wanted to explore the church a little bit. Wanted to see till where the actual water comes up to. So this entire place will get submerged here. And this is the church, guys. A closer look at the church. It's a very, very, very old one. We'll come back here in July or August once again to see till where the water is gonna be. But my guess is till that black part there, because above that it's all clear. See this picture here, got it from Google, random picture. So till here it's gonna be submerged. But overall, a nice ride if you like to explore. And look at this view. The water is very, very clear. Look at this. Hogta alva? 3 skips. Flat kal sigbekalla. ऐसे ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ 2 skips. We need to fill up the tank now. The range is showing 47 kilometers only. With these clothes we can't do anything. Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I know, thank you guys. I know I told you that I'll be doing the home theater video. I'm sorry, I'll do that in the next one, and I'll be showing you the new phone holder also. I'm sorry I didn't have this and the home theater video also. In the next one I'll do it. And yeah, I'll be ending the vlog here. It's just a straight highway. If there's anything interesting, I'll start recording, or else this will be the end. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.